Hello everyone, welcome to lmsdaily.com. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how you can make your Moodle courses as read only. There may be cases that all the students have went through the course activities and resources and you want them to access those at a later date but without their participation in those activities once again. In order to make your course as read only, there is a experimental feature released in Moodle which is known as context freezing. So in this video I am going to show you how you can use that context freezing feature to make your courses and activities as read only for your students. So in order to do that, you need to log in as a site administrator at your Moodle site. Once you are logged in, and then you need to access the site administration menu. Under this, you need to navigate to the development tab, and here you need to scroll down to the experimental section and then click on this experimental settings tab. So once you are here, then you can see this context freezing, which is by default it is no on all the Moodle sites. So you need to check this box to enable this, and once you select this box, then you need to click on the save changes at the bottom of the page. So now we have enabled the context freezing feature on our Moodle. Please note that this is an experimental feature, so make sure to use it at your own risk. So now as a teacher, when you navigate to the course where you want to enable this context freezing feature and make it as a read only course, then you need to click on this more drop down here, and then you will see a new link named as freeze this context. So once you click on this one, it will show you a warning that if you want to make it as a read only and prevent users from making changes to the students. So if you wish to continue, please click continue. So let us click continue here. So now as you can see, there is a pop-up banner on the top that course context freezing and any lower contexts are now frozen. So now you can see that there is no editing button here, so the teachers cannot edit these course, and there is no link to participate in these it is simply showing to just view these activities. Similarly, you can also, let us unfreeze this context. So in the similar way, you can mark all these activities also as read only. So let us click on this edit mode to turn the editing mode on, and then let us move this test forum into the read only forum. So now we are into this forum settings menu, and on the top you will see this freeze this context. So just click on this one again, and again it will show you the same warning. So let us click on continue. And now this test forum and any lower contexts are now frozen. So what it will do is it will just make this forum as a read only for all the students. So this is how you can make your Moodle courses as well as the activities as read only for your students. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel and like this video. Thank you.